So this project was County Highway HH. It was a 1.5 mile pavement replacement project. We widened out the driving lanes from 11 foot to 12 foot driving lanes, and then we also widened the shoulder to a 3 foot paved shoulder. One of the biggest features of this project was doing a stabilized pulverize and relay. So what that is, we pulverized the existing deteriorated asphalt pavement, and then we relayed it to make a uniform base for the entire roadway top. And then we injected emulsified asphalt into that to increase the foundation strength to meet design standards for traffic volumes and truck percentages.
Prior to the widening of this roadway, we spent a significant amount of time opening it up. It was kind of a safety concern. It didn't allow a lot of sun in with the tree overgrowth that it had. So in our winter months after a snowstorm, it would take a significant amount of time for the road to open up and dry up. A big savings, I think, in opening up will reduce our salt usage on this particular road. It's got a very good ride, and following through with a subgrade, I really believe it's going to hold up very well. It's quite an important road. It's a cut across from a larger industrial town, which would be Reedsburg, Wisconsin. You know, the size of our equipment, a lot of combines just traveling with is 18 feet wide. And then we got sprayers, a lot of semi-traffic, articulate tractors for tillage work. I mean, there's a lot of large equipment in the area, and that was one of the very first comments we got was when the road opened back up, a local farmer took it and couldn't thank us enough for what was done.
So one of the major unique features with this project, it was part of the first round of bipartisan infrastructure law or bill-funded projects, which meant we only had 6 months to design this project. And it typically takes Wisconsin DOT projects a minimum of 18 months to get through the whole design process. The community was extremely supportive with it. They were all aware that the pavement was super deteriorated. We still were able to maintain at least one vehicle driving with through the project so the farmers and the local property owners could get to and from their homes.
The community's very happy. Like I said, we got a lot of positive feedback, very happy with the outcome. Time frame, the ride is excellent, and just really appreciate all the parties involved to help us get it accomplished.